Did you know there are optional feet for cover stitch machines? The bernette Funlock b42 has actually 7 cover stitch feet and a regular serger foot, which you can do with cover stitch for the elasticator foot. So if you're sewing on elastic, and you want to do cover stitch, this is a great way to have a little pre-tensioner for you. So what are some of these other feet? And we're going to put links below this YouTube video where you can actually buy a complete set. And I would say it's actually cheaper that way. And then that way you have them all and you can try them out as you go. One of them, a cording foot and a guide. So there's a little channel in here to assist for a up to 2 millimeter thickness of cord. A standard presser foot with a clear sole. Now there's been times where a metal foot is fine, but I sure would like to see a little bit further once that fabric goes underneath the presser foot. I think if I had the clear one, I'd probably use that all the time. Next, a lace foot. So you can add trim and tapes to a hem, and it's got a place for that to be perfectly guided. Here's the one I think you will really love, a binder attachment for unfolded bias tape. So you can do a width of 25 to 28 millimeters of self-cut bias tape, and it can go in and be really a nice professional look, especially when you're going around like a curve and just bind that edge, make it super easy. There's also a hemmer foot, so you can easily have the fabric hemmed for you, kind of turn that edge for you. A belt loop foot, so you can actually run fabric through. Belt loop foot is used to fold bias or straight binding, which then quickly and easily turns into straps or belt loops with a cover or chain stitch. So remember, some of these are used with a chain stitch, but you can use any combination of cover stitch as well. And then the last one, a hemmer and lace foot. So again, being able to hem and attach lace all at the same time, I think you would definitely find multiple uses and take this cover stitch machine to the next level if you have some of the accessory feet. So make sure you check out the link below and see where you can purchase this complete set.